Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change name on your lock screen. So if you want to change this name on your lock screen, so this video will show you how to change it. So what you have to do, first of all unlock it, and then you have to go into the setting. Okay, so go into the setting, and here you will see lots of options, but here you have to just click on this. Here you will see your name, or the name appeared on lock screen, you will see that, and under that you will see Apple ID. Now you have to click on it. So when you click on it, here you will see phone name, phone, email. Now click on it. So it will take few seconds to load, so wait for a few seconds, and after that here you will see a name and edit option. Just click on it, and now here you have to just change that name. Okay, so like this you can uh, change name on your lock screen. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.